double gun. Double, gun.
Hello Auto Express viewers, welcome back to the channel. Today we are taking an in-depth look at the highly anticipated return of an American legend, the 2027 Chevrolet Chevelle. A name that once dominated the golden era of muscle cars is making a powerful comeback, and in this video, we'll explore its new look interior, exterior design, performance capabilities, and expected pricing in full detail. The Chevrolet Chevelle has always represented raw power and bold styling. For 2027, Chevrolet reimagines this iconic badge with a modern twist while preserving the aggressive DNA that made it famous in the 1960s and 70s. From the very first glance, the exterior makes a strong statement. The front fascia features sharp LED headlights integrated into a wide, blacked-out grille with the signature Chevrolet bowtie logo proudly displayed in the center. The long sculpted hood, complete with a functional power dome, hints at the performance hidden underneath. The body proportions remain true to traditional muscle car form, with a long hood, short rear deck, and wide stance. Strong character lines flow smoothly along the sides, emphasizing the car's muscular shoulders. Large 20-inch or optional 21-inch alloy wheels fill the arches perfectly, giving it a planted and aggressive presence on the road. The fastback-style roofline adds a modern coupe aesthetic while improving aerodynamics. Moving to the rear, the 2027 Chevelle features slim horizontal LED taillights that stretch across the width of the car, giving it a wider and more futuristic appearance. A sporty rear diffuser and quad exhaust outlets reinforce its performance identity. Optional rear spoiler packages enhance downforce and add even more visual drama. Overall, the exterior design successfully blends retro inspiration with cutting-edge styling cues. Now let's step inside. The interior of the 2027 Chevrolet Chevelle is a fusion of classic muscle car attitude and advanced technology. The dashboard layout is driver-focused, with a fully digital 12.3-inch instrument cluster and a large central touchscreen infotainment system. The interface is intuitive and supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, along with over-the-air software updates to keep the system current. High-quality materials are used throughout the cabin. Premium leather upholstery, contrast stitching, and available Alcantara inserts elevate the sense of luxury. Carbon fiber trim pieces add a sporty edge, while customizable ambient lighting allows drivers to personalize the atmosphere. The flat-bottom steering wheel feels thick and performance-oriented, and paddle shifters are included for those who want greater control during spirited driving. The seats are designed to balance comfort and performance. Standard models offer supportive sport seats, while higher trims feature aggressive bucket seats with enhanced lateral bolstering for track-inspired driving. Although it follows a 2+2 seating layout, the rear seats are more suitable for short trips rather than extended journeys. However, trunk space is surprisingly practical for a performance coupe, making it usable for everyday driving. In terms of safety and technology, the Chevelle is equipped with a comprehensive suite of advanced driver assistance systems. These may include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, automatic emergency braking, and rear cross-traffic alert. Chevrolet aims to ensure that this muscle car is not just about speed but also about modern safety standards. Now let's talk about performance, the heart of any true muscle car. The 2027 Chevelle is expected to offer multiple powertrain options. The base model may come with a turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine producing around 300 horsepower, providing a strong entry-level performance option. For enthusiasts seeking more power, a naturally aspirated or supercharged V8 engine is likely to be available in higher trims, potentially delivering anywhere between 450 and 600 horsepower. With the high-performance V8 configuration, 0 to 60 miles per hour acceleration could be achieved in approximately 4 seconds or even less. This puts it firmly in competition with other American performance icons such as the Ford Mustang and the Dodge Challenger. Rear-wheel drive is expected to remain standard, preserving the classic muscle car driving dynamics. Transmission options may include a 10-speed automatic gearbox as well as a traditional 6-speed manual for purists who prefer a more engaging driving experience. To enhance handling and ride comfort, the Chevelle may feature an adaptive suspension system, such as magnetic ride control. This technology adjusts damping in real time based on road conditions and driving mode. In sport mode, the suspension stiffens for sharper cornering and improved body control. In touring mode, It softens to provide a more comfortable daily driving experience. The exhaust note is another defining characteristic. The V8 engine, especially with an active exhaust system, is expected to produce a deep, throaty growl that captures the essence of classic American muscle. Drivers may be able to adjust exhaust settings to switch between a quieter cruising tone and a more aggressive sound profile. Fuel efficiency will naturally vary depending on the engine choice. The turbocharged 4-cylinder option will likely offer better fuel economy for daily commuting, while the V8 variants will prioritize performance over efficiency. However, modern engine technologies such as cylinder deactivation and improved fuel injection systems should help optimize consumption compared to older muscle cars. Now let's discuss pricing. The 2027 Chevrolet Chevelle is expected to start at around the mid-$40,000 range for the base model. Higher trims equipped with V8 engines, premium interior packages, and performance upgrades could range between $60,000 and $80,000 depending on specifications and options.